Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and backups. Charge the watch to at least 50% and pair to the Galaxy wearable app so you can back up settings and health data. Once backed up, remove any SIM or eSIM and power off the device. While you prepare tools, a small screwdriver and plastic pry tool, inspect the case and band for visible damage. Now, make sure you have steady light and a clean surface. Then proceed to open the back for battery inspection or to attempt a soft reboot. You now run the deeper diagnostics. First, try a forced reboot by holding power and back for 7 to 10 seconds. That often clears firmware hangs. If issues persist, carefully remove the 4 rear screws and lift the back with a plastic pry tool, watching ribbon cable positions. Inspect the battery connector and tiny flex cables for corrosion or looseness. Reseat cables and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. If the battery bulges or won't hold charge, replace it with a compatible module and reassemble. You finish by reassembling and testing. Carefully replace the rear cover, tighten screws lightly, do not over-torque, and reconnect the band and SIM or eSIM. Power on and verify basic functions: charging, touchscreen, sensors, Bluetooth. If software problems remain, perform a factory reset from settings or use recovery mode to flash firmware. One key troubleshooting tip: if the watch still fails after hardware checks and a reset, document symptoms, serial, and seek Samsung service or a board-level technician to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.